Welcome to Bike Shift, where performance meets passion. Today's spotlight is on the 2026 Yamaha XSR900 Racer, a motorcycle that blends classic racing heritage with cutting-edge modern engineering. Built for riders who crave retro aesthetics without compromising performance, the XSR900 Racer stands as one of Yamaha's most exciting sport heritage machines. The 2026 Yamaha XSR900 Racer takes inspiration from legendary cafe racers of the past. The sculpted fuel tank, race-style fairing, and aggressive tail section give it a timeless motorsport look. Yamaha refines the design with premium paint schemes, brushed metal accents, and minimalist graphics, ensuring the bike looks as fast standing still as it does on the road. Every angle reflects Yamaha's racing DNA combined with modern craftsmanship. At the heart of the XSR900 Racer lies Yamaha's renowned 889 cubic centimeters CP3 inline-3 engine. Tuned for thrilling acceleration and a strong mid-range punch, this engine delivers smooth yet explosive performance. The revised engine mapping for 2026 enhances throttle response while maintaining efficiency. Whether carving through twisty roads or accelerating on open highways, the XSR900 Racer offers an engaging and emotional riding experience. Despite its retro appearance, the 2026 XSR900 Racer is packed with advanced electronics. A full IMU-based rider aid system includes traction control, slide control, lift control, and cornering ABS. Multiple riding modes allow riders to customize power delivery and safety settings according to riding style and conditions. A quickshifter and assist and-slipper clutch further elevate the sporty riding feel. Built on Yamaha's lightweight Deltabox aluminum frame, the XSR900 Racer delivers exceptional balance and agility. Fully adjustable suspension at both ends ensures precise handling and confidence during aggressive cornering. High-performance braking components provide strong, predictable stopping power, making the bike equally capable on city streets and winding mountain roads. The riding position strikes a perfect balance between sport and comfort. Clip-on handlebars, a sculpted seat, and rear-set foot pegs create a true racer stance without sacrificing long-ride usability. A modern TFT display integrates seamlessly into the retro design, offering clear ride data while preserving the bike's classic feel. The 2026 Yamaha XSR900 Racer is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement. It celebrates Yamaha's racing heritage while embracing modern performance, technology, and reliability. For riders seeking a unique blend of nostalgia and cutting-edge engineering, the XSR900 Racer delivers an unforgettable riding experience. Stay tuned to Bike Shift for more latest motorcycle stories, performance insights, and future machine breakdowns.